Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And this short video I'm gonna show you how to quickly change your fog lights bulb in case you need to. Well, in my case I don't have to, but as you guys can see, the factory fog lights are, well, they're halogen and they're yellow, and I don't want to be yellow. I've already swapped my my headlights. I swapped that. It comes with the bike xenon or whatever it was called, and I swapped them with the LEDs. So I'm gonna swap the fog lights as well, and the light bulbs. I mean, I could put LED light bulbs in the fog lights, but the newer cars and even the newer Superb does come with LEDs, LED fog lights. But on the one that comes with halogen, and if you install LED bulbs, I can get in some trouble here, so I'm not gonna do that. Instead, I'm going to put a halogen light bulb, but it does light up. It's not yellow, basically. It's the intensity is of an xenon light. At least it's in the description. And yeah, I kind of like it, so it's fine. We'll see how long they last. The bulbs that we're using are some, well, I guess it's some Chinese brand that I found basically online. So we're gonna swap this one, and I always swap the right one so you can guys see the difference. I hope you can see the difference on the camera. I see. Okay, well, there you go. My ignition went off. I guess we just go ahead and change them real quick. All you need is a Torx 25, and basically that's it, nothing else. You need to remove this plastic piece over here, so you just put your fingers in, and sometimes they're really stuck, so you have to pull out. Oh my god, this one's really stuck. Holy shit. Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna try with two hands, hopefully I don't break anything. There he comes. Oh my god. Why is it so difficult? It started cracking a little bit, but Jesus. The other side was really easy. Oh. And it broke. Of course it did. It's so freaking stuck in there. Well, this is how we're supposed to do it, but this one basically broke. I'm gonna have to buy a new one. Yeah, there's a little piece here. Anyway, so once you remove this one, and hopefully it's not this hard. Wait, I'm just gonna need to quickly grab a light so you guys can see. There are two screws here. They're Torx 25. Remove these two. And you just take out the light and you pop it out. The side of it here, it goes behind the bumper over there. So make sure you slide it out this way. Let me try and put the camera over here. And there you go. Just disconnects your connector at the back, and the light itself, just have to rotate it and it clicks out. We're gonna go take the new one, does come with some protective cover, which is nice. Put the new lights in and rotate again so it can click in back in place. Put the connector back in. There's so many rocks in here, I guess I have to clean it a little bit. And basically the way you put it back is you need this plastic edge to go behind the bumper. Just slide it in, just like this. Put it back into place and then secure it back with the 2 screws. There's one, and whoops, well, you're not supposed to go there. I thought this one, my goodness gracious. There you go. And put your plastic piece back in place. Hopefully yours doesn't break. Like mine did. Well, that's embarrassing. It's like a couple of videos in and it's already broken. Well, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one.